Hey friends, instead of buying this container with seeds, because I don't really want that big of a seed tray with that many plugs, I'm going to use this cheaper version and I'll show you how to make it. Let's go. I got these off Amazon, and first of all I'm going to cut the corners off every one so it can have a draining hole. Okay, let's go fill it with dirt and add some wet dirt and water. Okay, these are all cucumbers that you cannot get in stores. Mexican sour gherkin cuca melon from My Gardener, so we'll do a few of those. And silver slicer cucumbers. I got these specially online because Jess from Roots and Refuge says they're delicious in all sizes. So 6 of those. This back later. And then an Armenian cucumber, which is technically a melon, but they're really yummy to eat raw, even with the skins, and I like juicing them as well. They're really good. So I'm going to do 4 Armenian, and 6 silver, and 4 cuca. That'll work. Okay, let's get these covered. And I want to sow these outside part shade, so I don't have to harden them off later. I did sow a lot more direct sow. I had to do a second round because some pill bugs got to them. And I just did bossling, pickling, cucumbers, Marketmore, and one other. I can't remember right now. And if this was cold, if you're keeping it inside, you can stick the lid on. I'm not going to need the lid. Just covering these up with some soil, get some good soil contact, and we're good to go on my 3rd round of cucumbers. Easy peasy, huh? Thank you for joining me in my little country kitchen. See you next time.